what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to send BNB from Binance to your trust wallet. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So you can easily send BNB from Binance to your trust wallet. If you want to trade on the cryptocurrency or shitcoins on the trust wallet, so you need to send the funds from your Binance account to trust wallet. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So now navigate to your mobile device, and in here you can see trust wallet Binance. So I will open the trust wallet. Here you can see BNB. I will click on that. Once this window open, you can see there is send, receive, copy and more. So I will click on the receive option. Here you have to copy the address of BNB of your trust wallet account. Again navigate to the Binance. Once you are on the Binance, click on the wallet. Now scroll down. Here click on the BNB. Click on the withdrawal. Now paste the address here. Paste the address here, select your network. So I will select BSC, or you can select BEP2. Once that's done, click on the max option. You can see you will get 0.5382 BNB on your trust wallet. Now click on the withdrawal option. Click here you did not fill the memo. Please confirm that the receipt address does not need to fill in memo digital ID or remark. Click on the submit. Now here you can see the description about the coin amount, the transaction fee. So click on the confirm option. Here you have to confirm your verification. Check your email and enter the verification code and paste the Google Authenticator code. Once you are done with it, click on the submit option. Now you can see withdrawal request submitted, system processing, amount this much, and address, memos, each and everything. So here you can see, you click on the view history. Now you can see still it's processing. It may take some time to arrive in your trust wallet account. And now you can see that I received the amount of 0.05 BNB on my trust wallet, and the amount of BNB is $18.89. So guys, this is the easiest way how to send or how to withdraw or how to transfer BNB from your Binance to your trust wallet account. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.